We have spoken about the under eye care, mistakes, under eye patches, so now the way we are going to take care of our skin on a daily basis. If you're wearing makeup, what are we going to do? We definitely get ourselves that makeup remover specifically designed, made for this delicate area. Now, if we're using a cleanser, that's a very interesting topic here again. You need a cleanser that is suitable for the under eye area. If you have dry skin, you're most likely already using a cleanser for sensitive skin or for dry skin. In this case, it will be suitable for the under eye area, so you can just go ahead and use it. But people with oily, acne-prone, combi skin, they're using usually a stronger cleanser, something that contains different ingredients that will never be good for the under eye area. What are we doing in this case? We just wash this area separately. You find yourself a cleanser for dry, sensitive skin. Calming cleansers are usually designed for these types of skins. So it would be a better bet. Now, there is a Squalene Cleanser by The Ordinary. I love using that. All gentle cleansing foams, products for sensitive skin again, or foaming cream cleansers will be good for the under eye area. What I love to do, I love to apply, to just get the cleanser that I'm going to use for my under eyes and just apply it down here, wash it off, and then I would use the regular cleanser. But you could do it completely differently. If you can, you could just apply one and then apply the second one and wash it all off carefully. It's important because the ingredients that are in the cleansers might be irritating and they might cause the premature aging, dehydrating the skin. You might not notice it maybe like right away or on a regular basis because you applied products on the eye area right after cleansing, but in the long run it's damaging. And then we apply toner. Again, toner is supposed to be suitable for this area. A toner could be something that has hyaluronic acid, moisturizing toner. It could be Pixie Rose tonic is my favorite. Anything, again, for dry skin, for sensitive skin. But if you're suffering from under eye puffiness, you need to apply the right product after the toner, be so a cream or a serum. I'm a fan of serums, but what we need to know about the serum, most of the serums are product that you use during the course. Same goes for your face. It's not something you use for the entire year, because serums, if you compare them to creams, they're more concentrated rather than creams. So it's the product you use for the course of 2 or 3 months. Again, you need to read the suggestions. There are also serums that are not that concentrated and you can just use them throughout the year. So it depends entirely on the product. The serum or cream for under eye area would have 2 purposes. It will be either depuffing or moisturizing. So in this case, you choose the one that is suitable for the problem. Also, in the end, I would love to touch the topic of products that are designed for the overnight treatment, say an overnight mask. There could be a product for under eye area as well. Facial products, you know, just facial overnight mask or treatment. I'm against this type of things because they are very rich, and if you're not even suffering from blackheads or acne, in the long run, it might really worsen the quality of the skin. So if you already bought a product like that, no big deal, just use it as a regular mask, because again, it's too much. It will promote the puffiness in the morning.